Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Savvylicious Arrangements. So here I have 2 cases of strawberries and I picked out the biggest ones that I can find. I washed them and I set them to the side, and now I'm back showing you how to dip your strawberries in chocolate. Okay, so I'm just taking my hand and I am just bunching up the leaves so that they don't get chocolate on them and then they don't get stuck to the chocolate. These strawberries are really beautiful. I believe I got these strawberries from Giant. I am located in Maryland and we do have a Giant. If you don't have Giant, I know Aldi's, the super Walmarts normally have great strawberries. And I believe Kroger has great strawberries too that I've purchased from them before. So I'm just going to be taking my strawberry and dipping it into my chocolate, and I'm going to be dragging the excess chocolate off. And I have my Disco Dust, which is a non-toxic glitter for decoration purposes. Some call it edible glitter, some call it non-toxic glitter, whatever it is that you want to call it. It's totally fine, but it's used for decoration purposes for cakes and treats. And because you only get a little bit in this little container, I'm going to be using the glitter and then placing the glitter back into the container so that I have enough for all of my strawberries. And it's best to do this when the strawberry is wet. That way you can just go ahead and pour the glitter on top of it when it's wet. So when it dries, then you have to go in and apply some type of liquid or something sticky to allow the glitter to stay onto the strawberry. So it's best to do it like this when it's wet. This is why I apply the glitter back into the container once I'm finished, because it's not enough glitter in there to cover all of the strawberries. So here I'm using the rainbow color from Disco Dust, and this is pretty much just a white, like a snowy color, if that makes sense. And I have rainbow yellow or yellow rainbow, and this is more like a yellow color. So I'm doing the Redskins theme here. So 4 would be red, 4 would be white, and 4 would be yellow. So that way all of the strawberries are equal amounts of color. And when you place your glitter back into your bottle, please make sure not to make a mess with it, because these little bottles cost about $6.99 depending on where you're located. And we don't have time to be spilling $2 and $3 of glitter out of this little container. So here I'm just using some almond bark to go ahead and place on to my strawberries. This is what I had on hand at the moment. I normally would use the Wilton's Bright White, but the last couple times that I've used it, they didn't come out well, didn't melt pretty well. So now I just buy the almond bulk, um, because it melts a lot easier than the Wilton. In here, I am placing some Paramount crystals and the yellow chocolate so that it is an even flow. It makes it more of a thin consistency than it being super thick. And you can find your Paramount crystals on Amazon, Hobby Lobby, pretty much any craft store that sells baked treats, not baked treats, treats. How can I say this? You can find it anywhere pretty much that sells um, cake supplies, pretty much. So this is what it looks like once you add the glitter to your strawberries, um, with the pretty much the same color. It just gives that color so much more pigmentation, and it just makes it look a lot better versus you using a different color and then going ahead and applying the color that you need on top. So here are what they look like at the end of dipping and applying the non-toxic glitter to the strawberries. And this is how I package my strawberries when they are ready for pickup or delivery. I place them in this 12 count cupcake container box, and I just get this from my local cake supply place. You can also order these from Amazon or Uline or wherever it is that they sell wholesale cupcake containers. If you cannot find the plastic ones, then you can also use the paper cardboard ones. They work good just as well. Um, if not, then just make sure that you use a cupcake liner to place the strawberries inside of, so that way they're not touching each other, and they'll be safe. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Happy New Year 2021. On to bigger and better things this year. Thank you guys. Love you.